Smart glasses are evolving fast, blending AI, AR, privacy, and everyday usability like never before. In this video, we count down 5 of the most impressive smart glasses available right now. Number 1. ASUS ROG Xreal R1. The ASUS ROG Xreal R1. Gaming smart glasses are built for gamers who want a massive screen without being tied to a desk. Developed through a collaboration between ASUS Republic of Gamers and Xreal, these glasses feature dual micro OLED displays, delivering ultra-smooth visuals with high refresh rates and low latency. The virtual screen feels like a giant monitor floating several meters away, making them ideal for PC gaming, consoles, and handheld devices like the ROG Ally. USB-C connectivity ensures quick plug-and-play compatibility across multiple platforms. Integrated spatial audio enhances immersion, while electrochromic lenses help reduce glare and eye strain during long sessions. Lightweight and portable, the R1 is perfect for gaming on the go, competitive play, or immersive single-player experiences. For gamers seeking performance, comfort, and flexibility, the ASUS ROG Xreal R1 delivers a futuristic display solution. Number 2. Rokid AI Smart Glasses. Rokid AI Smart Glasses focus on practical, everyday AI assistance rather than heavy augmented displays. Designed to be lightweight and comfortable, these glasses integrate voice-controlled artificial intelligence for real-time translation, navigation, note-taking, and hands-free information access. Built-in microphones and open-ear speakers allow users to interact naturally with AI assistants without isolating themselves from their surroundings. A discrete camera enables quick photo capture and visual recognition features, making them useful for travel, meetings, and daily productivity. The glasses pair seamlessly with smartphones, extending AI capabilities without constantly checking a screen. With all-day battery life and support for prescription lenses, Rokid AI smart glasses blend modern eyewear design with intelligent functionality. They are ideal for professionals, travelers, and tech enthusiasts who want subtle smart features that enhance daily life without drawing unnecessary attention or adding visual clutter. Number 3. Povec C1 Electrochromic. The Povec C1 Electrochromic smart sunglasses introduce intelligent lens technology designed for outdoor performance and comfort. Unlike traditional transition lenses, the C1 allows users to instantly adjust lens tint manually, adapting to changing light conditions in seconds. Electrochromic technology lets wearers switch between clear and dark modes on demand, making these sunglasses ideal for cycling, driving, hiking, and sports. The lightweight frame is built for durability and comfort, while UV 400 protection ensures full defense against harmful rays. With a rechargeable battery capable of lasting weeks on a single charge, the Povec C1 prioritizes practicality over gimmicks. These sunglasses deliver precise glare control, improved visual clarity, and consistent eye comfort across varying environments. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking control, performance, and smart functionality without bulky electronics, the Povec C1 offers a refined and reliable solution. Number 4. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2. Smart glasses are designed for users who value privacy, simplicity, and subtle smart features. Unlike many smart glasses, the G2 eliminates cameras and external speakers, reducing privacy concerns and social discomfort. Instead, a discrete internal display projects notifications, navigation prompts, and useful information directly into the user's field of view. The lightweight frame, crafted from premium materials, feels like traditional eyewear and supports all-day wear. Interaction is handled through touch controls or a companion ring, allowing quick access without pulling out a phone. AI-powered features assist with translation, reminders, and contextual information while keeping data personal and unobtrusive. With extended battery life and a minimalist design, the G2 blends seamlessly into daily routines. It's an ideal choice for professionals and privacy-conscious users seeking smart functionality without sacrificing discretion or comfort. Number 5. Xreal R1 SAR Smart Glasses. The Xreal R1 AR smart glasses deliver an immersive personal display experience with a focus on visual innovation. Featuring high-resolution micro OLED displays, the glasses project a large virtual screen ideal for movies, gaming, and productivity. Their standout feature is real-time 2D to 3D conversion, which transforms standard content into a more immersive three-dimensional viewing experience without additional software. With a wide field of view and smooth refresh rate, visuals remain sharp and comfortable for extended use. USB-C connectivity allows easy pairing with smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and handheld devices. Built-in spatial audio enhances immersion while maintaining a lightweight, portable design. The Xreal R1 is perfect for users who want cinematic visuals, flexible device compatibility, and next-level entertainment in a compact, wearable form factor suitable for everyday use. That wraps up our list of the top smart glasses redefining wearable tech today. Which one impressed you most? Drop your thoughts below, like the video, and subscribe for more future tech updates.